Mission solar panels are built 3 times tougher than industry standards. Higher quality means more power and longer lasting. Made right here in Texas, tough means tough. They can handle extreme weather like Gulf Coast storms. We're talking crazy wind and penetrating rain. And Mission solar panels are strong enough to survive the neighborhood kids' best shots. Hail? Hail yeah! Ice cannon. Panels undergo wet leakage current tests, independently tested to 1,000 volts. Let her rip, boys! And can Mission Solar handle it when things get hot and steamy? Oh yeah.
Our solar panels are so tough that they can survive a Canadian blizzard, eh?
Or the blazing hot Texas summer sun. In thermal cycling tests, Mission solar panels are independently tested to withstand 600 extreme temperature cycles from -40 to 85 degrees Celsius, which means you can hit them with a flamethrower. You drive an armored vehicle over them. Roll out, boys. You can even hit them with a tank shell. Fire! Well, maybe not a tank shell, but everything else, Mission Solar, mission ready.